Today we are showing you how the Wegrower Tuner works. My husband's got it clipped onto the end of the guitar and you can charge it with a USB-C. Go ahead and show us.
Micro USB.
Micro USB, okay.
And it has a volume tab and a little kickstand on the back here too.
Cool. Green light means it's in tune, red light to the left means it's low, red light to the right means it's high. And we've got a pretty much fully tuned guitar by now. We highly recommend if you're looking for a tuner that is rechargeable, this Wegrower is excellent.